Hey there, if your LG Smart TV with WebOS 25 has a really zoomed in display like mine here, don't worry, there's a quick and easy way to get out of it, which I'll show you now, and then I'll show you how the zoom is activated. So to get out of it, what we do is press and hold the home button. That's step one. Step two is to press the back button. So that's how it's done. It's a two-step fix. Press and hold the home button, then press the back button. So how was that activated? Well, if you press and hold the home button, you can see it zooms in. Over in the top right, it's zoomed in 150%. Now, if I click OK, it sets that zoom. And to get out of it, once more, press and hold the home button, then press the back button. So I hope that's been useful. If it has, really appreciate you giving the video a quick thumbs up, as it really helps me and it will help others having this problem get it fixed too. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a great day ahead.